by Manobi. That's at least his third interception in this game. The bounce to Cruz Dumont could not control it. Tumama pa sa kanyang ankle bago lumabas.
Sayang opportunity na yun. And after this time, ball will go back to Barangay Ginebra.
Watch this one from Traver. Medyo fake pa ng konti. And then gets that layup to go. 2017 in favor of BW.
Ha? Okay, mamaya nakay pa ako.
This win tonight kasi we all know we're struggling sa standing namin, and as much as possible every game for us is a playoff game na. So we win ugly, okay lang yun, basta baka namin yung panalo. It's a grinding out game. So credit sa lahat, especially sa coaching staff na sa adjustment namin down the stretch.
Doesn't matter if you're winning ugly, Scotty
yes.
Thompson, as long as you get the W.
The operative word that he used was adjustment, and the reason is, again, nag-iba ng pyesa itong Barangay Ginebra. But you take a look at the teams that they lost against: Magnolia, Meralco, San Miguel, Converge. Yung apat na yun, lahat yung, nandun halos sa itaas eh. Diba? Pero yung kanilang naipanalo, they won against TNT, won big against NLEX. It was a 30-foot blowout against NLEX and with their previous game against Phoenix. So, apat na laro para dito sa Barangay Ginebra, tatlo against with losing records.
Pumasok na ngayon si RJ Barreto, the crowd favorite. Jason David will take the side jumper and miss. And look at that effort! Doing what he does best, what he's been doing since he started his career in the PBA offensive rebound effort.
And this is going to be a very challenging fight for Coach Sheffield Mendoza. Look at the matchup. Mendoza was up against a 6'6" guy na si Troy Rosario. Positioned himself, not even the inside position, but because of his strength and his height, he was able to get that ball and score on a putback. Napakaliit nito mga nalaro ng Blackwater. Only Abu Tratter is yung kumbaga yung legitimate big man dito sa kombinasyon ni Coach Shef. No Bearfield and no Panopio right now.
That's right. They put in James Una, but then the rin si BJ Andrade. Cruz Dumont the James. No go, and Una already stepping out of bounds. So wasted offensive opportunity para sa Blackwater. They still have the lead with 2 minutes left in the first. Ngunit bola na ng Ginebra. David. Here's Norbert. He's had a couple of solid games para sa kanila. He gets it. And he puts it in. Immediate contribution from the big guy. And that chance for the bonus free throw.
And you just appreciate the maturity of Barangay Ginebra. Yes, they're up against the zone. Usually when you're on a zone defense, you want to plug the paint. But because they saw that Butler is very, very small, they're still looking at the big guys underneath the basket. First, Troy Rosario on points inside the paint. This time around, Torres for another points inside the paint.
Norbert, the bonus free throw coming up. And it rolls out. Some missed free throws in this game for both teams already.
Just 50% from the line, 3 out of 6 for Barangay Ginebra.
Andrade gets it. Couldn't take it like a defender. Here's Abu Traver. Hands it off to Mendoza. Mendoza. The pass to Ralph Koo, who's on the other team, and out of bounds, waiting to come in.
Because Mendoza is not really reading the floor. If there is one point of attack that they can do at this point, it's Tratter backing down his defender, or even Bearfield on isolations, or even ball screens.
Now they go to Koo. Mababasok lang. Cross court to Balls. In rhythm of 3. That's back rim. Balls on the floor. Napulot ni Cedric Bearfield. It's a foot race, but the Red Shirts have set up their defense. Trotter now with it back once again. There it is.
4 points in the first quarter for Abu Tratter. Good hands, incredible finish, and now Blackwater again enjoying a 1-point advantage.
So, game ang nangyayari the past few sequences, palitan ng baskets. David swings it to Hall, who swings it to Abarientos. That's the three that goes out, and Abu Tratter grabs the board. A chance to extend the 1-point lead, but they throw it away. Here's David, naantay na kanyang mga kampe, Abarientos. 30 seconds to go in the period. Hall corner three, too strong. Norbert Torres keeps it alive. Naghahanap ng papasahan, tinira na pasok pa! Pumas!
Wala na siyang mapuntahan doon. He did not show panic. Heard the whistle, went for his shot. He made a basket, and now another end one play for Barangay Ginebra. And what they're doing is they're just controlling the boards. They're just taking advantage. Alam nila, relatively smaller itong kanilang mga kalaban. And not only that, attorney, alam naman natin, you're giving up a lot of defensive rebounding and positioning if you are in a zone. So yun, tinitake advantage ng Barangay Ginebra yun.
Focus on the screens is the rookie of Barangay Ginebra, the only rookie that they have on the lineup. Sanya Steele has played fairly well at different stretches. So far, another missed free throw for Barangay Ginebra. Norbert Torres, so up by 1 is Barangay Ginebra. Last shot flying by the Blackwater. Bearfield sizing up the defense. He step back. That's a three if it goes, but it doesn't. Andrade comes down with it, puts it up. It won't drop. And time expires for this first period. Ginebra trailing almost all the way. But then at the end, lamang sila ng isa, 23 to 22.
That rebound, they're in position to run, so you got to be ready to run that down. All right. Norbert, right five. Okay. They know it. They know we're in, but we got to be more active. So you notice they're passing the ball out a little bit faster, right? So
Abu Tratter playing solid basketball. The last ball game, 17-6. Ngayon, naka 4 points na siya.
Oh, very impressive talaga. At alam naman natin yung capabilities nitong si Abu Tratter.
That's right. We'll turn it over now to Eileen Shee for more on Abu.
Gentlemen, Abu Tratter got to work immediately after getting the Gilas call up. Maganda ang kanyang pinakita in their last game, complementing Cedric Bearfield and shooting 67% from the field, which Abu pertains to as getting his feet wet and prepping for Gilas. In doing so, he took to heart the advice of both Coach Norman Black and our very own Coach Ryan Gregorio to stay aggressive in his game. Kaya ika nga ni Abu, I envision myself already playing for Gilas in the SEA Games. He paid attention to the details of his game and it paid off. Balik sa inyo.
Salamat, Eileen. So, Coach, ano ba sasabi mo doon?
Well, it was obviously Coach Norman Black's kumbaga inspiration. I just had a quick discussion with Abu and I told him, you really have to play better because your country called you. And he was just so happy to be given another opportunity to represent flag and country. And he's just showing it. He told me that he is excited. He's going to show whatever positive things that he was able to develop in the short time that he was playing for Gilas. And now we're seeing just a different kind of Abu Tratter. His approach to the game is different. He's now an offensive-minded kind of a big man.
That's right. We lost out of bounds though. The ball stays in Barangay Ginebra. And Coach, I understand you and the rest of the team will be leaving tomorrow for Bangkok, Thailand para dun sa SEA Games nga sa basketball tournament. So, good luck to all of you.
Oh yes, thank you. Yes, and also I'd like to take this opportunity to thank, of course, itong Blackwater Management for allowing Dr. Abu Tratter to be part of Gilas Pilipinas.
Jason David naman bumukol mula sa kanto. Tres para sa kanya. 4-point lead na bigla para sa Ginebra. I believe that's the biggest lead that Ginebra has had in this ball game. Andrade, the Hesi, sabay drive. Brought it down and drew a foul against Norbert Torres. Pumunta sa linya si BJ for 2. Si Sanya Steele ba? Matatawagan?
Si Norbert,
Si
tama
Norbert.
ka, yes. Kinakailangan din nila itong veteran smart nitong si Zamar because Zamar is a threat. He can definitely shoot from the outside and he also understands the floor. He makes good passes. Andrade, don't settle for an outside shot. Every now and then you have to attack the basket, make the defense work, and you have to make your free throws.
You know, for a guy like Andrade, who normally puts in his free throws, he's also bitten by the free throw flu problem right now. Mintis na rin siya. So both teams actually nakakarami ng mintis dito pa lang sa first half. James Una back to the bench.
2 out
Christian
of 5.
David is back in.
Yes. Not really good in terms of shooting from the line. Make it 2 out of 6 from the free throw line. It's not going to help their cause. They're down by 4, di ba?
Pigalawang mintis na sila. Troy malilit. So no change in the score. And still to David. David, aggressive move, but lefty layup doesn't go. Follow. Para sa kanya. 5 quick points strung together by Jason.
And not only that, a lot of second chance points for Barangay Ginebra. Again, taking advantage of the zone defense we employed at Blackwater. 9-0 pagdating sa second chance points. Lamang Barangay. Laki nun, ha?
And now here's Bearfield. Need to put a basket in soon. Samar misses, trying to keep it alive. Nakuha na ni RJ. RJ checking on the right, on the left. Lobs it up to a steal. Ball trying to trade the move. Labas kay RJ. Kanto na naman para kay Jason David. That drive. Nothing happening. Lots of action though. Then the pitches. Yung 18 sa akin din talaga. Sa press na naman. 8 straight points for Jason David in this quarter. He leads against Blackwater sa quarter nito. 8-0.
And what a pass. RJ Barrientos with a no-look pass to David. Spectacular basketball play for Barangay Ginebra.
The three brought